Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Friday, June 30th. Time is around 6 GMT, and we will have a look at the Dow futures on the Wanda platform. So, if you saw my weekend analysis where I analyzed the higher time frame, the weekly, the daily, I believe a higher degree wave too low is in here, and that we might start to go up again from here. So what I see here is the first wave one up to the downside. We then corrected nicely in a wave two. We touched the minimum requirement, 0.5 pip retracement. We also have a nice ABC structure here. So from here, we went again up. Here again in the lower degree, we have a nice wave one, wave two set up. Wave one to the upside, impulse. Wave two to the downside, we again touched the 0.5 FIP retracement. We have a nice ABC structure here. And so now from here, we are probably moving up again. And our first target area would be this area here for a wave 3, which is the area that we can find by taking the length of wave 1, the length of wave 2, and then our area where we should go for a wave 3 is the area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIP extension. Of course, we will not go there in one straight line. We should again see 5 waves here into this area. And so now what we see is that we did a pullback, or that we are doing a pullback, and this might actually be an interesting moment to go long, because we are it looks like we are bullish for the Dow. In order to have a bit more confirmation, it's important to take out here this wave one high, because as long as we do not take out this wave one high, we could still do something like a long wave two, in the sense that now I have my ABC here, but it could be that this was just our A, this was our B, and then we do a C down. So this is still possible. It's not my primary scenario, but I want to share the scenario with you because it's something that might happen. But okay, for now, let's focus here on this structure, and let's zoom in on the 1 hour. So yeah, as you can see, a lot of notations here. What's important is that is actually just this part here, because this is the pullback. I think that, like, this can be a wave one which is completed of the higher degree. You should only watch at this for now, and then we should do a wave two to the downside, which is currently happening, or the wave two low can be in here. What else could be is that this is just a wave three, and that we are doing a wave four to the downside, or we did a wave four to the downside. But if it is a wave two or a wave four, does not really matter. It's a pullback, and in a few days we will see which pullback we bought, the wave two or the wave four. Afterwards it's always easier to come up with the correct Elliott wave count. But for trading this part here, I think it's not really important to decide now if it is a 4 or a wave 2. Let's have a closer look at what we should do exactly. So this here is the high, and so you want to buy the pullback. So you wait for a full corrective structure, which was, in my opinion, this ABC. It was a bit harder to see for the Dow, but this is the ABC, in my opinion. ABC, like, you take the length of your wave A, the length of your wave B, and then the area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension is the area where our wave C should end, and this is the area where you can buy, where you can go long again. As you can see, we did not reach this area. Sometimes this happens. If an index is really bullish, it can be that we do not reach this area. This is also an area where you trade at the extremes. Like there will always be some kind of reaction from here. So this is the advantage of trading at the extremes. The disadvantage is that you sometimes miss trades. We do not always reach this extremes areas, and this might be the case here. However, that does not mean that we cannot go long anymore for more upside. I think there are two possibilities to go long. First of all, and yeah, I'm already saying this for 2 or 3 days. What you can do is wait for a wave 2 pullback in a lower degree. So if this was our low here, if this was our C, we have to go up again impulsively from here, and we will do this in 5 waves. So we should have a first wave, then we will have a wave 2 pullback, then we should have a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5. And this is actually what we want to complete, this wave 3. So in case this was a wave 1, this was a wave 2 pullback, we already know the target for our wave 3. This would be the length of our wave 1, so the length of wave 1, the length of wave 2, and then the area between the 1 and 1.618 FIB extension becomes our target for the wave 3. And so we should go there to this area in 5 waves. So you can see them here. I think we might have completed yesterday a wave 1. Here, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this could be completed. So what I would like to see now is a wave 2 to the downside. And then this is actually your buying opportunity. So I want to see an ABC structure, something like this, 3 swings, A, B, C. And then you can buy in this area against this low. Like, it's really important. This is an invalidation level. Like, if we take out this low, we are in a different setup. So the advantage of this is that it's a clear setup, a clear invalidation level. So it's only a matter of seeing this and then decide. It's about personal preference. Do you like this kind of trades, or like it's a trade in the lower time frame, in the 15 minutes? Data might be less reliable. It's also, I prefer to have this extreme areas in the 1 hour, in the 4 hour, because they are more reliable. But it's a clear setup. I would say we have an ABC. You can go long here against this low. So it's only a matter of personal preference, execution, and risk management. How much risk are you willing to take? So this is a possibility to enter to anticipate on a further move up. However, it could also be that our pullback is not finished yet, and this would mean that we definitely take out this low, and then the setup changes like this. This would only be your wave A. This would be your wave B here, and then we should anticipate on a wave C. Like we have to buy then this wave C when it is finished. And if this scenario plays out, then let's have a look at the area for the wave C. We take the length of wave A, we take the length of wave B, and then the area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension is your area to go long. So from here. So yeah, I think for now in the near future there are two scenarios, or ABC or correction was completed here, and we will see more upside from here. Then your next entry is the an ABC pullback here on the lower time frame, but this is a clear invalidation level. So if we take out this low, we will move towards this second scenario, in which the ABC was not in yet, the pullback was not finished yet. We will have a deeper retracement, and then it definitely becomes a wave 2. Here it can still be a wave 4, but that does not really matter for now. So if we take out this low, we have to look at this scenario here, that the ABC goes like this: A, B, C. But for now, as long as we do not take out this low, I would just stick with this scenario here, and so we can expect more upside from here, and a buying opportunity would be a pullback here in the 15 minute as an ABC against this low. So this is what I see for today. A long trade. Yeah, I would not go short here, because yeah, it looks like we are bullish, and like if we only have a very shallow retracement, yeah, I don't think this is a good area to go short. Like these structures on the lower time frame, on the 15 minute, can be less reliable, and like maybe just this was already or wave 2, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this wave 2 pullback, and then we shoot higher as a wave 3. So no, I would not go short here. I would wait for a long trade, be it here or somewhere here, if we do not hold this low. Okay, this is what I see for today. I hope you enjoyed this analysis. If you did, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work so I can further grow this channel. Thank you very much for watching, and have a nice day. Bye bye.